Jump starter air compressor, inflatable extension tube, pressed valve, ball needle, nozzle, charging cable, smart clamp. This jump starter generates a 1500 A 12 伏 peak current that is powerful enough to jumpstart heavy-duty cars and motorcycles. It can be inflated for cars, motorcycles, basketball and other inflatables. Preset tire pressure, one-touch intelligent inflation. Pressure values in different scenarios, including common cars, motorcycles, bicycles, basketballs, etc. Click 加 to adjust the pressure value you need. Equipped with LED lighting 3 lighting modes. Lighting SOS flash mode. Preset tire pressure, no need to watch, automatically stops when full of air. Car power loss, one click start. Dual connector inserted. The red clip is connected to the positive electrode of the battery. The black clip connects to the negative electrode of the battery. Successful ignition. Amber temp any place ready to go.